How much you should tip restaurant staff. 20% USA 15, 20% Canada 10, 20% Norway 15%, Mexico 10, 15%, Argentina 10, 15%. Russia 10, 15%, Saudi Arabia 10, 15%, UE 12%, Israel 10%, Spain 10%, France 10%, Greece 10%, Italy 10%, Egypt 10%. Kenya 10%, Sweden 10%, South Africa 10%, Turkey 10%, Uruguay 10%, UK 10%, Ukraine 7, 10%, India 5, 10%, Netherlands 5, 10%, Germany 5, 10%, Indonesia 5, 10%, Venezuela 5, 10%, Vietnam 2, 10%, Bangladesh 0%, Australia 0%, China 0%. Denmark 0%, Japan 0%, Nigeria 0%, Singapore 0%, South Korea note. Tipping amounts were sourced from each country's TripAdvisor tipping guide and checked against over sources. No tip is suggested if tips are only locally suggested for exceptional service or if tipping is uncommon.